Hello stock stalkers, welcome back. So Eid holidays are almost over. Markets will resume trading from tomorrow. So let's have a quick update on the market indexes. I'm on the weekly chart of ADX market index, that is Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange. On the weekly chart, index is looking interesting. It has printed a red dodgy candle right into the resistance that I have been talking about, that is 8,980 area. We saw market previously took a pause right here, that is above 9,000 points. It was not able to break this area of resistance, that is 9,160. From here we saw a sharp decline till about 8,700, and from here market has recovered. This is good, and the index is now at a very interesting level. The reason is we can see a recovery for the last 2 weeks. It took a pause for a week and now it's decision time. There are very good chances, if at all, it can print a solid green candle and a closing above 8,980 points. Then this would give us a good indication of some positivity in the market. Remember, trend is still to the downside. ADX market index is in a strong downtrend, but this is a very good area for reversal. That's the reason I said this is a very good area to perform and to prove that market is about to reverse. However, on the negative side, if at all we cannot see a solid weekly green candle, then there are chances it may come down again, revisit 8,700 points. Overall, market index is still in a downtrend and we are only looking at a recovery so that we can see some positivity in the market. Let me go down to daily chart from here and see how the chart is looking. Here we can see a nice price action. Check this out. Recovery have started from this zone 8,700. It's been printing green candles and this is the place where I had mentioned we can expect a big move. Reason it has taken pause around resistance area. We saw a follow through as well. Unfortunately, it could not survive and we saw a red candle. However, very next day itself we saw a bounce back. It printed a green candle back into the zone, but then again in last trading session we saw a rejection candle. So as of now it's confusing. There are sellers in the market, there are buyers, and again sellers are taking control. So it will be a kind of decision time in the market. If at all it can continue its upside momentum from here, then we will consider this positive. Second scenario will be it might go sideways from here to establish a base and then we will wait for the breakout. Third scenario is negative. Selling may continue from here. It can come down to retest any of the support zones. I hope we only see the first two scenarios, that is number one, it continues its upside momentum, or it can go sideways from here and then we see a breakout. Overall, ADX market is still in a downtrend. Weekly chart of Dubai financial market is looking interesting. We are seeing a strong drop from 4,400 points. We have seen a drop till about 3,945, and from here for the last 3 weeks market is just taking a pause, meaning after aggressive selling we are not seeing a follow through. This is a good indication. We are seeing two negative dodgy candles for the last 2 weeks. It means clearly sellers are in the market. They are trying, but they are not able to push the market any further. So on the weekly chart, 3,980 is playing out perfectly as support. Let's go down to daily chart. And here also we can see market is just going sideways for so many weeks. There are good chances we may see a big momentum. The reason I say this is because market has already taken a breather after the recent swing high that was around 4,200 points. It came down, took a pause, and it made a new low from here. This is a very nice price action. There are good chances we may see a big momentum in DFM market index. Immediate area of resistance at 4,030 points, and then we have 4,050, and then we have a strong resistance around 4,090 points. So let's see how the market performs coming week. Overall, both the indexes are in a downtrend. Emaar Properties has shown some strength. But before proceeding with this video, if at all you are new on this channel, subscribe for free daily updates on Dubai and Abu Dhabi stock market. Also on the notifications so that you don't miss out on any of my updates. And yes, if at all you are interested to get my stock recommendations with entries and exit with my detailed analysis, then you may join my YouTube membership. Link is in the description. In Emaar on daily chart is 7.45 is support. Immediate resistance was at 7.57 area, which was easily broken, and from here we are seeing EMAR is sustaining. This is a good indication. There was a negativity last week. After this big move, EMAR Properties opened with a gap down. This was not a good indication. However, very next day we saw exactly opposite happening. That is, it opened with a gap up. So this is a positive sign from buyer side that they are aggressive and there are chances of continuation. And exactly this is what we saw. Buyers are still active. In last trading session, we saw it hit 7.78, closed at 7.75. From here, there are good chances. If at all it opens flat or with a gap up, then it may continue its rally to the upside. Strong area of resistance at 8.00. However, even this move should be considered as recovery because we are seeing EMAR has been falling right from this area above 8.60, and from here it has declined till about 7.40 area. So any momentum to the upside should be considered as recovery. I will only consider this to be bullish when I see a closing above 8.00. This is a whole number that is psychological and technical resistance area. In case if you have entered at the bottom or even above 7.57 area, or if you are entering at current zone, then your target should be around this area, that is 8.00. However, on the negative scenario, if at all it opens with a gap down, then there are chances we may see 7.65. If this does not sustain, then we can see it coming back till about 7.57 again. Hopefully that does not happen. So if EMAR starts to perform, then obviously index will also rise because it's one of the heavy weighted stock in the market. So hopefully after the Eid break, market will be positive. Stocks that were declining will again regain some bullish momentum and we can make money out of it. That's it guys for now. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.